Today we are going to see about ellipse. So this is horizontal ellipse, and then we are going to see the vertical ellipse. So this is major axis, this is origin, this is focal point 1, focal point 2. The coordinates at this point is a comma 0, here it is minus a comma 0. The focal point is at ae comma 0, okay, and this is minor axis. The coordinates at this point is 0 comma b, here it is 0 comma minus b, and this line is latus rectum. The coordinates at this point is ae comma b square by a. At this point ae comma minus b square by a. Similarly this side minus ae comma b square by a. At this point minus ae comma minus b square by a. Okay, and this is the directrix line. The equation of the line is x is equal to a by e. This is point z. The coordinates is a by b comma 0, and this side minus a by e comma 0. And the equation of this line is, this side is x is equal to minus a by e. Okay. Now we have b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. The length of the latus rectum from this point to this point. Here we have b squared by a, and here you have b squared by a. If you add these two, you will get 2b square by a. Okay. So the general equation of horizontal ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. And this is the major axis. That is a square is greater than b square. A square is greater than b square. Then we have a vertical ellipse. Okay. This is vertical ellipse. The center is here. The major axis lies along the y-axis. The coordinates at this point is 0 comma a. Here it is 0 comma minus a. So this length will be 2a. And this length, minor axis length will be 2b. This is center. From here it is b. Here it is minus b. Focal point 1 is 0 comma ae. Focal point 2 is 0 comma minus ae. This is the latus rectum. The coordinates are b square by a comma ae. Here minus b square by a comma ae. And the focal, this is latus rectum, passes through f2. This side the coordinate is minus b square by a comma minus ae. And this side b square by a comma minus ae. This end is 0 comma minus a. This end is 0 comma a. Now we have y is equal to minus a by e, the equation of this line or directrix. In the upper side you have y is equal to a by e. This is the direct equation of the directrix. The length of the latus rectum is 2b square by a. Now this point to this point horizontally. So minus b square by a is this length, plus b square by a is this length. So if you consider the magnitude, it will be 2b square by a. And b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. So the general equation will be x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Now see the difference. Here it is a square, here b square, but here it is b square and this side a square. So here again a square is greater than b square because the major axis is in the y-axis. So that's all about two basic ellipse structures, horizontal and vertical. And if you know this diagram, you can easily solve the problem. Thanks for watching. Nandri.